call illegal wives, you know, they can never win anything for Akosua Serwaa. These people are fighting for their own stomach. Eyo mo fruit. Me say eyo mo fruit. Eno mo de ye omo ye no. Eye sika omunya. Sika amanfo de che omo. Sika omo je e de hye omo ho. Enti no mo ntimi nyae no. Ai say oton niam bi na unya sika pa afrim. Sa de no wugya ya eden. Ebi na se omo ye no.
We say that we need a Ghana info channel, so I so Sadaroma over subscribe and Diamond Film. So we click a notification bell. The Sebastana update be an wo and Udikaya when Sa Ebeke be no one who the trend or social media no as so Sadani Denano and Sembe Brina and Ayana Eba Ghana info de no Chrome Quam any day ever soon for any action for any video be a trend. Come home you should be bra.
You have gained nothing. There were gaining a yanimguasia. Apart from animguasia or mudigu Akosua Serwaa no, Ghana for Monka no kre edian and or more gaining. Nothing. So to tell these people say, please, thank you so much. Enough is enough. A problem and Ghana for any problem. Because these people leading by a friend say Obatiwa and his royal and Asante Queen, they cannot win nothing. They cannot gain anything for Akosua Serwaa. So my Akosua Serwaa, identity, and I won't say now won't reflect it. Now catching the say, thank you so much. Enough is enough. Thank you so much. Enough is enough. If you say, me say, you can't say me family some union and say James say yeah, me the best say this group called illegal wives, you know, they can never win anything for Akosua Serwaa. These people are fighting for their own stomach. Eyo mo fruit. Me say eyo mo fruit. Eno mo de ye omo ye no. Eye sika omunya. Sika amanfo de che omo. Sika omo je e de hye omo ho. Enti no mo ntimi nyae no. Ai say oton niam bi na unya sika pa afrim. Sa de no wugya ya eden. Ebi na se so omo ye no. Ebi no omo ye no. They can never stop today. You bet di omo time sa so still. Because people are paying money for them. People are paying money for them. These people cannot stop. If so, I don't know. I didn't go say that also. I didn't go say no. Every day, new story. Every day, Kofini Ama. Adetia Kojoni Adwa. Adetia Kwakuni Ama. I mean, what's going on, Ghana for? What is going on with these people? What is going on? Mami Akosua Serwaa. Reflect back. Nakachira nkrofo we say enough is enough. Me damase. Adwuma na moye no moye ade. Me damase. Na fa utus egu ho. Wankasa wo ma yedi omatem. Ukuna wo se odon ye bisa se lumba ye hwan se lumba ye odo. Yedi lumba atem. Yedi lumba abusuafo atem. U group of people we. Lumba abusuafo yedi omatem. Yedi wankasa atem back door. Umma yedi omatem. There's nothing they can offer you. Apart from an imboisier, any sika, backdoor, or mojejeje, you know, there is nothing these people can do for you. So to tell them, say, thank you so much, enough is enough, Madame say, Obian Fanny to Sungo, Mobian Casamami Bim, no, I think it's a problem for you. Because who him say, from these people, no, they are coming for you straight forward. Ghana for, mark my words, a better maybe NTBR. These people are coming for Akosua Serwaa. These people, Sahi Soya we are. What it you know? Some man chino amfa huma money mu amfa na mantan daya. And some so good one. Someone take his royals and mantan baby. And I'm not going to seek it and panachow. And some of our Bruce will go hono. And some of our Bruce will go hono. Mobe Trasi 10 years. What to make you can't see any money yeda. Never. And yeda. Moon to make you can't see any money ye. So please, enough is enough. And Crofo we chrono no mobile. Chrono, especially Asante Queen. Chrono. Sika, Ghpagetv no. Or no akasa be fan platform no. No this kind of query ope. Asante Queen what to me ashen Yankopon hatasro. Akodi sika. Ewo eye hajia for real ho. Ghana for nka ho asem. Ghana for enka sa asem no ho asem. Se wakodi sika o hajia for real ho. Se ube defend the hajia for real. Obi a oye side chick. Uko defend the side chick against wife. Na uba minia presla ho dia. Odi nanim abeye fom. Uba minia presla ho a odi nanim abeye fom. Na wakwaje eye bribe. Ewo eye friends say hajia for real ho. Se u defend no. 10,000, which is a old currency, no, 100 million. Na Ghana for common to move home. Now, Sandy Power, or that city, ebe beer one no, say, Udi pressa for su atem. Udi pressa for su atem. Oba, only Bematra, almost 20 years, money away. Almost. Akosua Serwaa, so need that the lumbati. Na officer na nka ni kunda de lumba nka nye nne na nka sem we nyina ese eba nka sa sem we no osovu na ade ansa na ni kunu be wo na nka so osovu ni problems nyina ansa na ni kunu be wo a wo enye na papa na wo wie na onni ho no ntumi nkasa no onni ho ntumi nkasa mie na no no na obegina ho na ye bisa se lumba ide an se oyodo Ozi lumba yodo. Oyodo, obi a oyodo no. Utimi jan krofo gum na mudi ukuno tem. So ye knaman. Ye di lumba tem. Se lumba ye knaman. Na ote we hwe. Ye bisa se lumba ye den a wo se lumba yodo. Abusiafo. Bibia ni hobie mu Akosua Serwaa na chitafo betimi aye. De o betimi aye no, oman ye atwam anye ye. So, minya sure say bibi wo ho a. Akosua Serwaa na chitafo betimi aka say, omo ya ade bi, ya sombo tede omo aye no. There's nothing they can do. There's nothing. Omo group no agu. Me set legal wife agu. Because they say your friends say so ya otwe ne ho free mu a. The moment on be so almost in group bia no. Obesande fufura bebom. When I make a chiremo. Say he so ya atwe ne ho free wa omumu a. The moment on be say almost in group no. Obesande another bomb kese pa bi kura make say no. Na eye concern Akosua Serwaa enkobo bi on na di asem bi on naka. Obesande abebom na wasen ya tu bibi agum. Nti this group no there, there's nothing they can do anymore. Everything has come to an end. Bibia ba na wiye because on betimi aye bibia abusiafo enkomo aye da. So on betimi aye bibi di abo Akosua Serwaa enkomo aye, there's nothing they can do. Information bia ni ba bia be mo mbeka say information bi o abontan de ba, there's no information. Information bia ni ba bia information o mo no o mo de ni nyina ba. Nti so bi be gina ho no ka bre oboa. Me say obi betra say no can breaking news wa me say oboa informations na ho no nyinara asa ebi ni ba bi biara biem information ba na wo ba bi biem wo de mo ka no kware ahina information wo mo de ba yi information bia ni ba bia but on betra na bre omoboa eye bosire muka presafo so ni obia ni bibia ye presafo so ni obia ni bibia che oni obia ni bibia ye Akosua Serwaa, so on tiasia, go to court. The court is open for you, is there for you. If say I want to be biasia, and your TikTok and Alabama on Crofatna, Edidi Atem Akasa, go to court. Court near Casemno, and your TikTok. And this officer on TV biasia, you simply go to court. I say busy. Simple. Apart from court, no Ghana for him, Bibian Hobium. Asem no mame Akosua Serwaa what say no dada beginning no na obra ho ase e na wan kotie papa shi e na wan kotie mama gina e na wan kotie obati wa ne nkrofo bi no mo keka ho na obra ho ase e na nka woni preslafosu said the court and ebusu ya penika ye no woni preslafosu musiesie dadi lumba chi kama mani ye krabera mame Akosua Serwaa sa mere metimi aka se nka preslafosu odo kra ye ne mame nka bibia no no be decide ho bibia ono na betra se akasa to say daddy no ba ye wilo so onya wilo di asemo ye no na maye no bia tini ba bi kama menya sure say nka presafosu bere yato because ukọ fie ho no presafosu be hageo as a senior wife obe hageo ya ye nyina ye hu ye So adan editing bedru samre ya ne presafo su abaya otamfo oso aye ne tamfo obviously I didn't do the timban sir. If you say Manekosa say well when you so adwene woman kwala bi no mo a afena na omo build on TikTok platform e de udin eye niam bebre a say bibia no a betimi ayama na eye bibia everything is over. Bibia ye over. Catch the on kraman no. They should stop making noise. Akosua Serwaa. Catch the on kraman no. They should stop making noise. Enough is enough. Ya the time bebre sa o. Adwuma kwa na di ni party o. Adwuma kwa ya the time ya pesca. Ya no other time sa. They said the historian and Asante Queen no so that 24/7 or multi TikTok no. Ya ni sa tab no. Di ba me Akosua Serwaa. Yen chance way so na me never preserve so on train baby no nwene ne ho. On train baby no nwene ne ho no hwe ne ma. Now so fie na that the lumba atama o Germany no. Trefie num. Anya baye ne yanka lumba atofie di ama o Germany abonte. Akosua Serwaa o problem ne sen. E fie na o tim o Germany no. O ton a e betimi ato preserve fie na o Islegon no. E betimi ato. E betimi ato o convert aya euros no de ba cedis a. E betimi ato. O problem ne sen. O problem ne sen. Ya baye atitaro mama so. Unhu dia wo ya ho. Obi a ukuna wu. Ya ofisa ukunu no. Party to party, event to event. Na wo sa, na wo ko, na wo ba, na wo yesei. Unya ba bi jira na ebisa se, lumba ya hwan a wo si lumba ya odo. Ay Akosua Serwaa. Osi lumba ya odo. Obi ya odo na wo yini ne ma to go abonte no. Obi ya odo na wo yini ne ma to go abonte. No, I have any contribution can come. I know I mean person make us be brave because my bread my bread no me ye juma sa bedru feel late and I power and bedru feel zero my bread crowd am tell no I go just say that the lumba ye there I say that the lumba your door obi ayo do why you never to go abonten and when you never to go abonten apam no to me no me say Akosua Serwaa who say that the lumba bagana nya de obetimi succeed because when we say what free obi out here bruchire say what free bruchire akotra Ghana de obedi succeed untimi succeed me fi say say na Akosua Serwaa hu no but thank God enough that the lumba call Ghana no eniema ko fama no dia call Ghana no eniema ko fama no so what you say because here da Akosua Serwaa call eye fence Islegon house ho no na first time one no the alcohol no nko that the first time the call say that the lumba wu ye nti okọ ye ne nafofo gina ne nafofo bi omo shoko ye na they were not expecting say lumba wo abrochia wa kotra Ghana obetimi akoso cedi na mo expect sa but thank God enough papa no call Ghana no talent ya wo ene nyom hit upon hit to ye obo ahimfuchini ye de ma otumfuo ena obo enyom de ma na ye fence na nado sa winning song no sa nyom mienu pe no sika onya ye no sa two songs no sa nyom na obo ahimfuchini ye ode ma otumfuo ena osambo na nado go win sa campaign song no boy Sanyo mienu ni sika no otim de sister na esi Islegon so Akosua Serwaa ko hu fie no o shoko ye because that was the first day Akosua Serwaa de ko esa Islegon fie ho so until now he was thinking say Akosua that the lumba is not going to succeed obi ama me no better say obe resulting out. But now he thought, say, what to fear the man with Germany? I don't care. If you want to go, go. After all, when you fear me, Martin, and the fear no soon because of Sana Korania getting into no lumba that the lumba cannot do nothing on that house. Because Kromano, say fear ni yawo diana se unya won kwala muguma. We are mistake Kurana police for be you if you are Korana cow. So this woman knew say, after all, what to fear the Amaya if you want go, you don't care. So why not Barcelona? Hello.
Boss man.
Hello.
Nice.
Hey, that's I say. I'm not the more. So say,
I have a straight. Let me tell Ashanti Queen says, I never say, or see Obi Italy. Say what Guinea Kun. Now, be clear. Now, all clear now, or say, say, again, if was what Guinea Kun, we did, or that's what I say. Boy, new year. It was my for boy, na, Uncle Chawari. Say again, and so I be Cassa. Oh. One of the pages is same so on a guy that's so I don't crack so I ain't true. Intino, Saturday or Mefa boy and then call, no could travel and offer Bearman and Brandy back. Now, Nico, the only man in there, in Yana and Chira, no, then now I 10 years. And I make us a more quasi a 4 mile way. Just a moody a mono story a come where she had any big deal. Oh, Tiway soon I will catch a say or a Priscilla or Marco you become. Oh, dear, shall we to me? And I will catch a Priscilla or no boy, no.
Boy, no free telling the Bayer Juma, Germany, and not the who no. I said, normally, no, more free it in Spain, no, Yamoba, Germany, in the France, in you know how about no the kind say, Obana near my far, no, I could find a year back. So what? I feel over pay Juma, I feel over pay rest. On the kind back. Say Obala so settle down na fi wakofa na yire ene ne mmadiaba nti we no buy na obehu Ashanti Queen na no forgetting the family no more down e we Italy no. That is how the story is. Nti we nipa we nya o that's awurade nyankopon na Ashanti Queen me yamako
na Mr. Mr. was say no onya be man ne enya no jina itino like one again nipa the opebia onye no ndi o say onene ewaware dia o mefa be ma ne nko no nko twitwaware me no ndi onyi na me say wo chan kwasiafo ma we mo titi we so mo kache president ono aware ni kun ni say ono di onware ye na ono di otu now was it on the guy na sat na almost 10 years ni na am say ha mo money right cry kwasiafo we money right say mo be can president asem mo kwasiafo ma enti na Israel asem ba ya afi na no ya wasan aten cause money na say the can money right ampa kwasiafo ma nko mo e na mo apusu na mo de bia me ka se ma me Akosua Serwaa no mo ni maware sen ono waware be ma me nsam
yes
me ma me nsam no ono matena enti e kan ware certificate obi ni ensen ma me no mo ni right some be kan ma Priscilla se mo nya jimi no mo ni
right they have no right Baby, I'm fire. Abebe fire. What is Obabia Mabonti say? Ashanti Queen, new kuna on a new kuna on a Munyaye.
Chama, maybe do ya bomb paya tredium pon and anonymous say Lumba Saman Enkasa. Na ye no enokura na di emene na so obete shock ebe ye nwanwa
emene no ade wo
who said timodo for your last obi akra ehome ani ye tiensi
me ba life almost 2.5 months in my life I said the 2.5 months
and then now my and what was what last kra tell say ubobo nsen sa na nyame ye na ade
ye nuaba no ni problem yeah, banning the program. Almost some more can you some say one casato and a normal car. Now, Ashanti Queen dear, Mako Germany ente, Metana Mako, your friend saying Jamaica Makubi. Your ticket was a quality to a month, the best send it to the Musa. Maybe Makuba send it to Makupa. Some block you, block me.
I block you.
Oba life kura me.
What is that? What is that? Oh, Senenya. Who say you Ashanti Queen? What we say ne? Ye ka uguku masem. We say ntesa. Uka bi to odobrani so. Ugo odobrani mu aseke stamp Bronii. Atu odobrani so. Empanifo say o kan tam gu amena mu a epie dabi kukuom yes kukuom nsam na kan ye no ensambane na muka gu lumba so no Bronii so no ape ina e daddy abana mugu ya no woni mi sa Akosua dompo se wa beka kire o se opo o mo chew o mo nya baako maame no o mama mi ode abeka se o mo nya baako maame ni gira life so a o mama ode ene maame ne ye conference call kwa maame ne ka se maame ode se man kra wo so ma positive video no ene ma positive video na wie yi
this is Akosua Serwaa wa life no
life maame ode no mu to ma positive video ni now e da ho sisi e wo to be life so maame ne pom chew se omunya baako na omuntam no obi yafum so a omumfa nche na omummene ye di wo matam ne de wa stop wom ye di omudi lumba tam wa ti mama stop wom ye di gan omudi gan na pani fo do go wa mama stop wom omon kasa chomo ko de o stop Akosua enye wa mani hunye family di say
who say group no asai
I was saying him say and tambia o kan wa mnam anan sambia o kan ya enim enya no kora o ka kire timliga wa
ne o mo kan e be ba bonte
e be ba nso
ana say asante ke kan ne say so man so hesoya mu a ensem o ebe pie no because o ne nkasa ebe pie because Israel no ono wapacha wo back door Israel wapacha wo o Bronii side no wapacha wo back door me kan o life so ne Israel obi bia o ka se ade na Israel me pacha me na me ka do me nsasi me bo me abebe TV me kan pen e wo life so wa be pacha wo back door e wo Bronii side fi ni yan fi
Israel akopa wakopa e lumba yire presefo so achew
sana back door enye se wo frɛ o Bronii ana se bia o no Bronii akasa wo o pachaw e wo back door
o de pacha no city pass okra na wa pacha
o suma chaw pa tie mama nkali se o suma chaw pa e wo back door but anfa enti o pese o yi nsam pie no ye free ana eniema hante asante kwen no ye lumba saman ene gina ne konso a o hye ne se on kan samu a enim anensamu a maka yes itinu de ekoso ne de mo be lase ensam de afeni be pie ma me no ne to be tija Akosua dompo afeni na so be ye hye
onim se omo kopa abebe me ba o so omo kopa eye Israel achewa maame Akosua se wa secret nyinara he we be yapie me na me
chairman girl no so na wa so no eniema uteme eniema hante asante hante Israel na wa kasa no opa maame wo ne kura emepa nche wonti me na me ka kire o
enye yi
me na o de opa asema me ka fa se bi nso nka me say eniema hante no eniema hye ne se o bibie no obeka obeti cause enya sam ketwa
bibi ya juma or your spirit papa your spirit
that
or your spirit
yes lumba no for so that lumba obeka de chenza o bebia betie si maame nankasa so aka maame ne nsamo a ebokukuam o stop no kura nya yi
eno nanti na maame no o ka se maame no eye se omunkulu ni down no because o so say the way again na hiti na okono and show your better nsem na wa start eyi maame no so secret go
me say it's royal
se o be start maame no
back door apachew me abebeti ya meka achew wasuma nipa na ekosi ni so no mentimi yes but it's royal obeka nsem pa moment last I didn't me say
Onim so hu
obeka sabe wie no and obi hu se wa kan sama guo hu se wo kasa
Sanse be wo yibio because ono na ma ye
hu se wo kasa na no
ono na ma ye hu say
hu se wo kasa na no opacha o ma ye obi mfum so fa ncheme o kasa ense obeka ko sama guo
obi biara ma ye obodi biara
yes
What do you say? Ono ni mo anka Ghana for ye nim say. Abeba me bawo. What is that? He saw ye nim anka Ghana for ye nim say. Charles ni Amakwe. You don't know no court case about last 2 months no. So Asante Queen mo kodi 10,000 which is 100 million.
Yes. HG. Aye.
Omo kodi free.
Nanka we I cannot eno kwa de enya sam kwa ese ko ka but ensem e wo honala obeyini na agufom ensem e wo honina enyo no le beka se ma me ni marriage certificate bia enyo no na ka se ma certificate bia
I want the kind.
Na onim
Israel
Wait a minute you.
Monta Enya Israel we no beka se ni won fachi wo Bronii. Enya Israel we
almost abeba almost mo kwa appeal.
Certain. Na info no ko jiji na promo no.
Abokwa
na appeal man no ska. Man me timiliga wa for na o jiji ska ni free omo ho. Timiliga wa for na jiji ska. Ana omo de mama no da do no anu o kaprebi. Anya Israel we no
abebu bibi. Woni bibi. Oh say we now omo ye ni na no who say group no one side of group no eyo omo de wo so obi ankasa we say obatu aka na no to ni say group bi no obi aka na no to na omo mienu e de ye omo ho but me fi say okay group we say
de ntia omo koma no ko tumu a u secret oba be ya bobondidi papa bi tiradin
so say there afran why your weapon no ko nu mo wadan big weapon pa no wo ba bia otoko
eniema ante Israel no uye timiliga wa fini na wo dan ko tumu a odo je baba bonten wo je baba bonten tina edina obati wa maye dina oma trom afiki asam no
Only say Asante want to me kasem ni or the fifa ho ana me be say my say ana me koji scam koji ana me di bi ntide want to me kasem ni port because only so o kan abeba e de niam abeba abonten ide me de me mo audio bia me hwe so obeba audio amensoma bobi wa se da aka me obi wa memmo omo se da bi me obi memmo omo se ja kakra nyam se mo concert nkwa na o wa koju obi ku na o
audio suru de me say audio suru de me say be no owo pa but o ma ka sa sire no back door say o tv anything o yes but o audio
me say enyi asa Israel enyi
o wa koju obi ku na ba ko bi so ye so ono so na sister kun akoda e na ono so ti ono so di nkwata ko bo de mo zero
me say ubeti magu ni ba mu asafa nwa ubeti magu ni ba mu asafa nwa
me ne me sister kun ada fa mo ho ben e na me mo e ma afun sei mo ye ka mo kan oba ono ni be ma tena ono be me bi antena da ono be me bi antena da oni be me bi akote da be ma ba akopɛ no oni ne life nyina mo ma afun we a ma wo 88 ni me ma different mo to ono mo ye kan na mo kan
na
ye ka presila se ma na mo kan bi se mo no be ma tena 10 years enye okun
10 years. Na on na wo de so na wo
minimum because ni so ne wo bakra minimum ko ya te do we na wo train wo janesi
that guy na all your life okoka na odi na tem no me de jaw ase ma me nyam adwuma okay all your life no ka nti life ya we ono na friends sabato oso we bo sabato dia asiaman
Now, this I be man grand on fan in your shoe. And okay, yes, you think I don't run from. On fan in your shoe.
No, I can say wrong. I'm saying the bush of 124. No, my men, papa, in your I say you two for notes, yeah. Nka Asante Queen ko apo bia tia da because ye ka obi a paper ye ka pia e won ho e wo app we so a e Asante Queen obi a fort and time e won ho pa ye tim di candidate ni batama oba unyim bia no opebe ma no waton ye funu no na o di ama no na wa diska wo mako
funti
na reda will be that Akosua Serwaa kra so ye odibi ye lumba wali lumba anyam ye wan fa mabuloni enkwara nye buloni
Basendra yeah on the Basendra Germany ba no minim adekoya sha wo Germany
eyesu bi eda ho esu bi eda
wa Germany ho amudi samu asem ho no
the okase odi machine dealer na ya say oton machine dealer my man for anti
no say because
on need to say ni obema on ni ku
on need to say ni ku no correct
obi su twafa ho we twafa
ana do twafa ho ni mo manyam
Germany no mu nyina anyo mu nyina ba Germany man de bebre sa suba no mu buni ho
amuwom
sa suba money no e no mu wo mo ho e no mu wo omo nyimpe no pa obi na omo ton ama na omo gisika na just kratara e no na ekoso me na fofo bebre omo sinsan mamanfo yire no mo a nkwara na ya wo mo no nipa na obesan di ne da no so na maame na gisika bi at 10,000 bi at 12,000 14,000 euros no wade na je say because of akwara no na wo aban aiden ama okrata ama stay permit e o Germany amount eno na mo ye minimi na fofo bebre Asante Queen ma 5 no de oton o mu nyina de ma different people oton ne mani nyina de gisika why you free set twene and how this one asibe unya kan ya no obiem fala na obrum pam ubi wa no kan ya asibe si
amodi ni dia betu gbe o yesi e friend di
o kan ya asibe wait mean to president we no to president
yesi e friend di
no to president
ma fofo afun we
in fact I be tell you
oba ohun be mada afi onu akan oba fa ni ku omu nko twitwa ware nim on there on na tena 10 years nya do be jama na wa he nkwasa sema woka no be mu kwasa bi
o je de wunya wo no je de wunya
ena utimi da ukuru we ho ebedi aya preslefo so atem wo ni obi putia one ne yiri nya one ne yiri enya ye na wo utimi da we
Mr. Boss man me na enye se ase we dey o kan di ma me Akosua atem no no be ma ne ti se kwa de ne ho ofesen da dumba me ni ma me Akosua anka ne ya me ka cho se wo kwa se we me nka di ma me Akosua
me se ni nyina Akosua se wat
obe faale no on the 11th of June
I say we are the farm pa oba life bia I taxi driver e wa around her baby
okay Chama
I was oba life bia was so me ka che ni say my friend Mike nti me ka che no
what's it
too big lion abebe waje lion da
oh minyi bi da o lion kese ne dia minyi bi da kese pa no da meji bi die ale se me horobo dem
kese do ti kuni pan bi o ti ni pare no
minyi bi da da meji die
me ka che bra Mike Mama bra Mike ato lion me
ayo matuma nyami nshila no ye be manyansani pa we say ni awale ate
beba fie why bra Mike but beba fie mate o so beba sikatio mate
yate that's
Hoini bra so hoini hello
bossman
hello mini abayet zen
nyame adum
hey
wakai me
tutum se you
hoini
What kind me?
I'm a go bye.
I never bye.
Befro.
I crown.
Bye, Befro. Hi, Crown.
I boss my when you who are dear papa.
I don't know. Fire me uncle. So, let's just say a memoir. Or you obey. And obey. Obey Germany say, obey. Juma, now I can find a family. My friend say, Obi Kuru, sorry. Obi Asante Quinchen. That's what I did, you know, so far. And then
Akosua me go pay or hand David live so I said there was a deal on my table. See, hey, or say a mouth for 4 to 7. Where deal on my table and area. Or some for 4 to 7 months in Germany. Yeah, can't. We buy him. Obusa man. Me Akosua say one question say.
TikTok, omo TikTok abusia pen you know akwakọ join na court na aka kire plaintiff ni say on amend the rate no na o include sa brief no as what as the fifth defendant. Okay, into the case in Ankasa, it was adjourned to 29th. The 29th na best start Ankasa no. Ye can wie na say ye hu say ya why omu nyina free nchen na abusapan anya ne perpetual injunction irrespective of whatever that goes on. Okura perpetual injunction and obetima organize it na ye opebia. Obia there's not going to be any impediment bia. And that is our main focus now. And into na ye boni chidom se nebe ya obetima win that case na yawa was uncle no more on chen na all of those people no ye o ma ebe chom na ya chichom then onya kwan a ne celebration without any impediment.
All right, don't worry. The guy has Nipa no Bekas and my blocking in there. My catch him said blocking it there is easy. If you feel you want to come and type just anything, I catch us. Me my opportunity to come and write a second AU. Me my opportunity.
I'm fact I can so way so. Krobia jatwa hene wo mu piano kuro no e ha adwene. Timene mpanfo ni nyina kasa say I beg. Panyini bi say opacho mo kai papa bi na o say o counselor bi. Nensamba mpacho what en kan bio. Yeso otoni nro. Odwene no ho. Nti me pacho ne abeg bia ne ho ebe koso. Asem ne yeni no court. Now more they need to be held accountable no. Yeah, hold them accountable. What that Roman.
All right, thank you so much. Oinibami Pacho, are you ready to talk now? Thank you so much, Lady May. Pure Atlas, Me Pacho, you can ask your question whilst we await Oiniba to get on.
Okay. Mr. Ryan Buchau, Brother Alex.
Thank you so much. Pure Atlas, I really appreciate that.
You're welcome. Mr. Alex and King K, Michelle phone. With the question about that on paragraph 2. Right from the ruling on paragraph 2, make a bold statement as a statement, it emanates from the defendants, right? Our case in which is Bronii Abusua Penin, and we all know say the two were represented by two different councils, right? Or two different law firms, Bajama and I think Cardinal Law Group. Right, and the first sentence in paragraph 2, this is what it says. It says the defendants opposed the claims in its entirety and deny that the plaintiff contracted any valid marriage with the deceased in Germany, right? This is a bold statement for me. And see, my question then is say, for Baba Jamal and a Cardinal Law Group, right? Because of some more common interest in it, I think they worked together, or that this particular case. And for them to make this bold statement, it means that indeed, Akosua se or Mami Akosua Serwaa and Daddy Lumba, or man worry in Germany in the first place. Na Mami Akosua Serwaa Crampo and had the guts to, go to Ghana and even fight for a place of a surviving spouse just because of his or no quantity warning under ordinance. It's my question to Sir Alex, ne brother, King say, although Bronii to pack, Bishop to pack, or my already say be a ometeki Akosua Serwaa on, right, in a new or in a fresh court case, right, just to prove say Ampamameno or ne Daddy Lumba or man worry what Germany that. Because when we read judgments in a paragraph 2, and let's stand it out, mommy. If paragraph 2 is to go by, it doesn't really hold any substance for me.
Actually, no. And Pure Atlas said, paragraph 2 na ankasa. Niena opposition na omoye wo honom no. Basically on the marriage certificate. And it is the defendants oppose the claims in its entirety and deny that the plaintiff, which is Akosua Serwaa, contracted any valid marriage. Until almost say, opposition say, we need any valid marriage be in Germany. Now then, the opposition, second sentence, the documents tendered in by the plaintiffs were challenged for their authenticity, validity, stating that they suffer from irregularities. Until these are the reasons so they attack the marriage certificate. That is why oppose here. Until that paragraph 2 the opposition, it is what? It was the document or the kind of rate. Maybe be a marriage certificate attached. And also na ya omubo tugu say sa document na odi aba ntino omugina mo na se kase maame no oni aware bia e Germany ampa so that is what the court said. Court no say oni aware bia na ade a odi ba court no so okeka nyina buma e kire say e te say ne won fa hwe NC court no na osisu dua e ka say there was no valid marriage or contracted.
Paragraph 2 was a claim. Paragraph now kind of introduction, bra. Pure Atlas.
Yes, Brother Alex, I know paragraph 2.
Yeah, he said that he knows, yeah.
What do you know? The associate man yet deno. Paragraph 105. Because they challenged it, he who alleges must prove. And the court said it emphatically clear. Is the one. What do you want to me a bit my kind of treat the amount why? What that's all paragraph 1. And what's your 128? I see you. Or say the court finds it as a fact that the plaintiff could not prove her marriage, which she alleged was contracted under the German law, since proving the foreign law is a matter of fact. She could not certify the presumption that she contracted that marriage by proving authentic, identified, certified copy of the marriage certificate. Obekai Wena, look at the words that they used. I'll say, the documents tendered in by the plaintiff were challenged by their authenticity, validity, stating that they suffer from irregularities. What say any match? Pure Atlas.
Alex, me see
Into one no connected with 105. Yeah. One thing about court, say the defendants may push all their questions to the lawyers, especially at case management and also cross-examination process. Between those lines, all irregularities, will come to bear, and it will allow the judge to make judgment at the final straw. And because they pushed those claims, and those claims and irregularities were not certified in it, the judge was able to tell plaintiff and say, you could not even prove your marriage. And he closes that case. Maybe the NSA, the defendant's lawyer could have opened appeal, say, because they could not certify and prove their marriage authenticity. We want the judge to cancel the civil marriage because there's no any legal document.
Right.
And 2, they should have pushed for the submission of the drink, ending the question, because if you marry civilly, it cancels the customarily. And at that point, the judge should have been told to say, because she has accepted, say, court, let's stay on the court and say, so no, na chum, this will chum dia, fiawari bi anyadeng. Anyhow, nkane, kasoma juye se kwa minkuromanki ada. But because fiawari and hanging in the air, and nama ye dia peri. But yanshe, I think I grow no, eba be de sebe.
And then not just again about the brutal. Wow.
And I mean, me the kakra come in less there no. Unim say now no, as we stand now at the moment the position that many are less yijina no. Now we have the evidence and we know say nipa kro no a ensa no besi ni so no eye Faustina or no ananka I was say senka onya kokoduro etimi ko gina adaka mu edi adanse se de brempama enya kokoduro ko gina adaka mu edi adanse ma Akosua Serwaa no a se oye sa nanka there was nothing like what if you are in 1991 it was cancelled. I'm telling you on authority based on what we know now.
Right.
Na nam say one timi ma mena timi ankwa ko gina adaka no mu no nam say threat bi ni ade a ekọ no so no ntino one timi anko. And this is a fact. One kono, and 1991 no, ekojina ho, but nanke ni ho.
That's it. That's a case, Alex. I mean, sure, why the good works.
Say, Kinge, obi se obema ye, obe wele ne nyoma kakra di amayo. Kinge nti we di ana watch out to na. Anya fast na busianfo di ebe kokot. Why?
All right. Kweku, you said you have a question. Oiniba me pacho oti ekasa. Oiniba pacho is Oiniba on. Oiniba pacho oti ekasa. Yes, I know I'll mute your mind so that we'll talk. All right, Kweku, you can ask your question, please. Kweku pacho oti ekasa. Kweku.
Nipa fufuro na yenhwe obi owa yi bia.
Oh, mpacho. What's the car?
Me pacho ay.
Hello.
Me pacho
Thank you.
kasa.
Hey, me question. Me question. Me bisa say. Me cheer programming for a while, but I'm more educating here, and I need more education. But what I need is that say some fraudulent document here, what they call court regarding the early, say maybe a judge, decide to, throw the whole thing away, a bit the cost against your man. And the brothers now more educated, that's a more legal background to be in your man, of which I think so, but I don't know much. And the percent could be Amoboa because Sandy Equator, I think it's me, to my personal opinion, I think it's maybe a case of your bill should be a like lawyers with the cost against you.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
that's me.
You are right. And you see, sene na wo kan krampon efa no kra sa eledi no kra say ekobane sene wo kan na ekopiem na court no botugu a court no betima ka say we waste court no time and there will be a cost.
Right.
And lawyers, the lawyers for defendant lawyers, so say case be a court. Now say a comma or more, they can also press for charges to be against the plaintiff. Until another, it is there and it will be done.
I mean, kakra is this is not the first time. Oh, okay, bro. Now, Kasana. There was a case via ACA Kwache versus Afia Pukuya case. Na sa case way. What happened is asem no call high court. Omudi asem no ma Afia Pukuya enya japadi bebre. Omuji sika ema no. Na high court no kura no mma ne japadi bi okade bi o mankesim onya stores any ade. High Court eman 150,000 Ghana cedi. After the claims or the call say hotel bini fie bin ma papa ni si yanyema no court ti ase. Edru contribution e aye no ya ka se onye hwe one na ware na denden. Ena Mr. Kwache koya appeal. Ti appeal in the see. Efi no mo de man no bebre no mo yi bebre efri mu. Sika na omoma 150,000 omo yi 50 free so amanaka 100. Afedi ajapade a omo ka se onen papa na brenya no papa ne challenge maame ne se njapade ne bebre kura oye ho adwuma dada ansana maame ne ba ware. Afedi tia
and also overhead number 4 say 2018 letter no a Akosua Serwaa man lawyers etwere bread that number no. But what's the feedback?
Mr. Alex, why meeting now?
Okay, very good. Until also, Obama said 2018 letter no Akosua Serwaa man lawyers actually bread that the lumba no. Or say ordinance abreno no. No. Or try head in say intention to dissolve marriage. Into Obama says intention now or try umuno. And not say our no po na a good thing to entire number 4. 5. Whether or not the second defendant can be deemed as a wife on the basis of customary marriage, or say second defendant odo Bronii judge say obehwe say odo Bronii say ye ware no under customary marriage na say yan ware no eno so ye ni fifth determination ya obedetermine. Number 5. Number 6. Can it be said that the second defendant living with the late Daddy Lumba for 15 years and having 6 children with him constitute marriage? I didn't say, or her first one, fifth one, or Krampuna say, fifth one, ya mamre no customary marriage, ya mamre no pono. Say, odo Bronii and qualify say, customary marriage, ya ware no. And I say, there's nothing to show, say, customary ya ware no mpo. And now say one Daddy Lumba etna ye for 15 years. Now on wo enkura maku ensia no e bet e kire aware na ntima hu say difference mu ha
yeah
na mienu ni nyina no ekoma odo Bronii ntino wo de ma me boboso me wi a me kan ye ne ekoma e ene ne anko ama because judgment na badada nti. Number 7. Whether or not the plaintiff and the late Charles Kojofosu married validly under the federal laws of Germany. Obesan he say, Akosua Serwaa na oye plaintiff na odi na asem to court no. Ye be kwa kohwehwe adepotia odi ka ne court case na odi beto court na nim ne say ade a eka ho no a eya adanse die no ye be kwa kohwem say German mremu no e kire say obi aware under the civil law na. But what you say? That is the number 7. Then number 8, whether the plaintiff initiated divorce proceeding against the late Charles Kojofosu during his lifetime. And another number tiasie no nyina no ansa na ofri mu no. Plaintiff aye ma me Akosua Serwaa yi. Judge say obahwe ma hwe say oye divorce and I say or file bibi to court ɛkyerɛ sɛ o initiate divorce na ɛno yɛ number 8 na ɔse ɔbɛhwɛ. Number 9, whether or not the plaintiff and the late Charles Kwadwo Fosu cohabited and shared matrimonial household when he later relocated to Ghana. And it's a murder lumba of free Germany or Kotna Ghana. No, Obeshe say that time no eba emrebi eba ya impo Akosua Serwaa or ni dead lumba omo mi no etna dan ba ko pemu mpo da ko pempo Obeshe. But what I say if they cohabited matrimonial household say omo share empa ba ko ana say omo tena dan ba ko mu since emra dead lumba free Germany obetena Ghana no judge ni say obehwe asem no. That is number 9. Number 10, whether or not the late Kwadwo Fosu the late Charles Kwadwo Fosu habitual residency was Ghana or Germany for at least 15 years prior to his death. Obasa Huma say before say that lumba be wo no say for 15 years before say obewu no a Obasa say na na that lumba otie na no de ni fie and I say what de ni home and na brof kasa me friend the habitual residency.
Okay.
Na offer de ni kru and I say offer de babia onu fi say ote do say ye nim say okura German citizenship or Germany but onu anka say mo ote ase no na offer de ni fie and I say offer de ni kru judge ni say obehwem for 15 years before say ni demise. Number 11, whether or not the marriage between the plaintiff and the late Charles Kwadwo Fosu had broken down under Germany law as the time the latter relocated to Ghana. Emra de lumba a free Germany obetna Ghana no. Judge ne say obehwe say aware no say aware bimpo wo hodom a emra o free Germany obetna Ghana no aware na a break it down beyond repairs ana obehwe no. Then the last one, number 12, no say and any other further issues arising from the pleadings. Or say apart from say 11 we na also obehwe no. Emra asam no ekoso nyina no so no. No ma bia ebepiepie mo ho bia no so obehwe say efata say odebeka determination say 11 determination we ho amana be 12 na wagina so e dey making the final judgment ana. And it is over the final judgment no paragraph 164, which is the final paragraph. Now, Meka eno no ho asem kakra bi de la actually what if 164 no the final judgment ni na no the heading no or say disposition and then holdings. 1, I have considered the entire evidence adduced by the plaintiff and the defendant, the exhibits and the written addresses filed by learned counsel for the plaintiff and the defendant. And in the premises, I refuse the plaintiff's relief A, B, C, and D. 4 we na Akosua Serwaa de court no say we refuse 4 ni na. A, B, C, and D. We refuse ni na. I also refuse the relief I of the second defendant and rather grant relief I, and I of the second defendant. Second defendant also the you say counterclaim and a 3 and na also ekope I no say court no nka say Akosua Serwaa so onye yere as at the time that lumba ewu no na Akosua Serwaa enye yere. That is the I. Then the I no and they say ono so oye yere ya ware no under the customary law no and I no. Then I no say ono so utimi ye den utimi ye kuna and it court no say ne na all ka say Akosua Serwaa so enye yere no as at the time that that number a no wabo eno na to agu enso so nkae mienu ni na no ode ama no but Akosua Serwaa de ni nya de wabo ni na to agu nti obo 4 ni na to gu ye no ye ntie de oka ya or say in that result after so about to agu ni na in that result I hold that the plaintiff, which is Akosua Serwaa, was customarily married to the deceased Charles Kwajofosu in 1991. And that is the first issue. Then the second one, the second defendant, which is Bronii, was customarily married to the deceased Charles Kwajofosu, aka Lumba, in 2010. So this one is 1991 and this one is 2010 in Ghana. So all customary marriage. Then the third one, I declare that the plaintiff and the second defendant, which is Akosua Serwaa and Bronii, are the surviving spouses of the deceased Charles Kwajofosu, aka the Lumba. Full stop. The judgment in the then the last one consequential orders. Until the judgment nankasa or the and this judgment is based on what? On these 12 issues.
Wow.
Until the last ubisaya sa 12 issues no. I don't know ujina so. Until say yi marriage certificate need the cry free mua. Asaka important issues of which one of them the la urezi abandonment no. And abandonment no court no ekasi su dua say 19 good years because court no say ojitum say that number every Germany ebetena Ghana 2006 and we calculation na 19 years. And 19 years abandonment in the law, you will never be able to answer that question.
Wow. Thank you very much, Pacho. Matthias, they say they die better. Now, last one is